Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Choose the correct answer to replace each underlined part. The old man appears suddenly and talks in a weird manner. The correct option is B, mysterious. Question 2. The death of the young man was so unexpected. The correct option is A. Sudden. Question 3. I am very sure that was the man I saw 2 days ago. The correct option is D. Certain. Question 4. It was such or an enormous dog that I could not believe that it was a dog. The correct option is A. Gigantic. Question 5. I called to make certain that the booking is done. The correct option is C. Confirm. Question 6. The first sign of spring is the growing of leaves on the trees. The correct option is B. Sprouting. Question 7. To keep out wild animals, you should not let the flame die off through the night. The correct option is A. Torch. Question 8. Mark was amazed by what he saw. The correct option is C. Startled. Question 9. After dinner, Mr. Chong slowly strolled to the park to enjoy the cool evening breeze. The correct option is B. Walked. Question 10. The police caught Uncle Tom driving too fast. The correct option is A. Speeding. Question 11. Fill in the blank with the correct word. It is dash to see tortoise talking. The correct option is A. Unnatural. Question 12. Brenda is a great dash on my life. She helps me how to live life meaningfully. The correct option is C. Influence. Question 13. It was a dash visit. Nobody expected him to come. The correct option is C. Strange. It was a strange visit. Nobody expected him to come. Question 14. The matter went off dash because no one could understand how it could have happened. The correct option is A. Unexplained. The matter went off unexplained because no one could understand how it could have happened. Question 15. I was not able to dash the problem because it is too difficult. The correct option is C. Solve. I was not able to solve the problem because it is too difficult. Question 16. Do feel free to dash me when in doubt, said Mrs. Lim, our science teacher. The correct option is A. Consult. Do feel free to consult me when in doubt, said Mrs. Lim, our science teacher. Question 17. The Loch Ness Monster is still a dash to scientists. The correct option is B. Mystery. Question 18. Everyone became worried when they heard Anne dash coming from the house. The correct option is A. Explosion. Question 19. Mr. Alex is a rich and powerful man. Many people therefore like to dash that they know him. The correct option is C. Claim. Question 20. Father needs more time to find the building as he is dash with the area. The correct option is C. Unfamiliar. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.